We've learned how to add and subtract vectors. Now what we're going to learn is a form of vector multiplication called the dot product. It turns out that the dot product gives us an answer that is a scalar. The dot product can also be used to help us find the angle between two vectors. Let's say that we have the vector v equals I minus j and the vector w equals I plus j. The dot product v dot w is found by multiplying the I components and adding that to the product of the j components. So the I components are going to be 1 times 1, and then we're going to add to that negative 1 times 1. So we have 1 minus 1, or 0. So the dot product v dot w is 0. Now what we're going to do is find the cosine of the angle between these two vectors. In general, the cosine of the angle theta between the two vectors is v dot w divided by the magnitude of v times the magnitude of w. Well, we just found v dot w to be equal to 0. The magnitude of the vector v is going to be the square root of 2. And the magnitude of the vector w is also going to be the square root of 2. So I have that the cosine of the angle theta is 0, which means that the angle theta is 90 degrees, or pi over 2 radians.